Hi everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use your Instagram filters for your TikTok account. But before we start, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. Okay, let's go. First of all, you need to open your Instagram camera and select your favorite effect and record a video with this effect. Done. Now you need to click on this arrow and save this video. Now open your TikTok, click on plus to add a new video and click on upload to upload the new video. Select your video and here it is. This is awesome way to promote your Instagram filters on TikTok. This way you can promote your Instagram account, which is great. We just click on next and we may add a sound, effect, text, whatever, and just click on next to post the video. And that's it!